If you have watched these videos and tried setting up a Windows environment variable, you are likely to have problem with Substance Painter settings for importing textures. And you will have problem with changing the color space to utility-SRGB-texture. If this color difference between the two software drives you crazy, then let me show you the solution using OpenColor.io. To start, in the Substance Painter software in the Edit tab, click the Project Configuration option. In the Color Management section, select the Color Setting field and click Open Color.io. Then, the Open Color.io configuration field will appear. Click on it and select a CES 1.2. We don't have anything else to do with this menu. Click OK. Go to the File tab and click the Export Textures option. Now you need to drink a cup of coffee and wait for the export to complete. Now go to the same config link folder that I left for you in the description. Select and copy the files. Then, go to the path you see and paste the files into that folder. I need to open this project in Blender version 4.0 or higher. Now, if you scroll down in Blender, in the Render tab, you will see the Color Management section with the relevant settings applied. Now, you need to go to the Texture node in the Shader Editor tab and open the Color Space field. If you see something like this, don't panic. Just calmly go to the right side of the screen and select the utility-SRGB-texture option. You need to do the same for the other materials so that the color matching is done correctly for all materials. We are slowly getting to the point where we are amazed by the result. Now look at this more beautiful example. If you want to change all textures color spaces at once, install Fix Color Space add-on from the link in description and change all of the textures color spaces with one click. You may still need to change some textures individually. If you have any questions about this video, ask us in the comments, and we will answer you quickly.